Śalabhāsana. Lie down in Makrasana or on your abdomen. Now place your hands under your thighs, palms facing up, and your chin on the mat. Stretching it as forward as possible. Join the heels together and point your toes back. Now, while breathing in, raise both your legs together as high as possible from the waist without lifting the chin or bending the knee. Stay here for a few normal breaths. Slowly release the posture and relax in Makrasana. Śalabhāsana strengthens lower back muscles, tones the lower abdomen, and stimulates the liver, stomach, intestines, and pancreas. This asana also burns the fat around the thighs, hips, glute muscles, and lower abdomen.